Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. So today I'm really excited. I'm going to be doing a basic get ready with me beautiful natural eyebrow and eyelash tutorial. The reason this is so exciting for me is because this is going to be my very first video. And I have been contemplating, well, what do I want my first video to be about? And I get so many compliments on my eyebrows and my eyelashes. I figured, why not just do a video about that? All the ingredients that I'm going to be using are going to be down in the description box. So if you want to see how I achieve my looks, just keep watching. One thing I like to use when I'm doing my eyebrows is a pencil. I know a lot of people do not like using pencils. I don't know why, but I absolutely love using pencils. So what I like to do is just fill in the sparse areas. And I really don't like putting too much product on my face. So I try to use gentle strokes like so. Fill in my spaces. I am good to go. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses concealer. I really like this stuff. It's in the color medium. So I like to just take the top of my brush here. If you can see it, it looks like mud. Oh God. And I get my two-sided brush. It's from Tarte. And it's angled on one side and it's a spoolie on the other. So I just brush out like so. And I just take a little bit off the top here. Again, a little goes a long way. Then go in and underline as close as I can. And just bring that product downward. Me, I like to get the top and the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and make a little line at the top here. And bring it down. Sometimes it does look like a lot of product. That's okay. Next, I'm missing a brush. I don't know what I did with it. This is my two-sided brush as well. This only has an angled side, and then this side is just the regular brush. I love this brush. It's Walmart brand, but I love this brush because I use this to clean up my concealer, and it does blend. And another reason why I like this medium is because it kind of gives my skin tone an actual look. It's not too much. It's a little on the natural side once it's actually blended, but it gives the impression that you just kind of got your eyebrows arched. And I love that. I love that kind of look. Isn't that pretty good? And I'm only going to do one side of my face so that you all can be able to compare and contrast. And once I get finished doing my eyebrows, I'm going to go ahead into my eyelashes. Okay, once that is all done, what I like to do now is to just get my Ardell brow gel, and this is just gonna go ahead and lay my hairs down. It's coming in kind of good. So now that that is done, I'm just gonna go in here with my spoolie and just blend out the front portion of my eyebrows. It gives a really neat and clean kind of natural look. And voila, there you have it. That's a nice looking eyebrow. Now for my eyelashes, I like to use the Miss 3D Volume Lash, and these are 100% silk. I've worn them already, and I usually keep them inside the boxes so that they don't get messed up. Oh, I dropped one. Where are my pliers? Did I say pliers? I meant tweezers. Whoop. So when applying my eyelashes, what I like to do is put my tweezers in the middle part of the eyelash, just so that I can have more control of how I put my eyelash on. Is this Then I'll get my handy bobby pin. And this is what I use to apply glue to my eyelash. Always want to apply towards the middle. I like to pull my eye and do it. Make sure to put the pressure on both sides so that it's easier to stick. The end of my eyelashes have a habit sometimes of coming off first, which is just crazy. And then just make sure you're just, like I said, applying that pressure to keep the eyelashes on. Then once I have them set, I just go in and press them. How does that look? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish the other side, and we're going to bring this joint together. So this is the finished look. And for all those women out there who don't really like to wear makeup, this is a video for you. Lip gloss break. I always have a hard time opening this. And it smells really good. I think this would be the perfect look. Just a cute, quick eyebrow, eyelash. And make sure you have your earrings, because I know I don't like to go nowhere without my earrings. And me, I actually have gauges. Huh? Cool, right? That's the 3 E's. Eyebrows, eyelashes, earrings. So, I really hope... Really? Say hi to everybody, Belgium. She just had to be in my video. Are you going to at least speak? No? Mwah. So, I really hope that you all enjoyed. So, I really hope that you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Subscribe, honey. That subscribe was all over the place. So, I went ahead and put my earrings in. And I'm so upset because I had to put 2 different ones in because I lost one of each. See you next time.